And in this season of Advent, the church invites us to be prepared for two things. First is to celebrate the first coming of Jesus that we are going to have on the 25th of this month. We are also called to be prepared for the second coming of Jesus. And this time when he comes, we should be able to stand before him with our heads held high. How can this happen? The readings of today also, my dear brothers and sisters, invites us towards this. We belong to the congregation of priests of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. We conduct services, retreats, charismatics. And in the season of Advent, we have been conducting some retreats in different parishes in Goa. And in fact, it was on Sunday as well as yesterday, we had in two different parishes. We have the praise and worship, and then we have the word of God which is proclaimed, and then the adoration where we ask the people to surrender their struggles, their problems, whatever they have, coming before the Blessed Sacrament and kneeling down and pouring out to the Lord. What really touched me was, in fact, Sunday as well as yesterday, as I had gone down and I was laying my hands on the people, praying for them, for their needs, there was at least 3 or 4 of them who simply just embraced me. They were on their knees. They embraced me and they were in bitter tears. Something that was really, it also brought tears to my eyes looking at them, the way they were holding me and crying in tears.